Hello everyone, Nan Hua Performing Arts Group has returned with more exciting news. If you believe your body can make wonders on stage, you are invited to come and join us. Let us work together and transform that talent. Nan Hua Performing Arts Group is inviting all females between the age of 18 to 23 years old who are of course interested in learning more about arts. If you believe you have the potential and got what it takes to elevate your talent, you are exactly what we are looking for. The date has been set. On the 16th of January is going to be the registrations. Then the following day, which is the 17th of January 2025, is going to be the auditions. We hope you are the one for this. The course duration is 1 year. The course is free, including the accommodation and stipend. And lastly, you must have a matric certificate and an ID in order for you to qualify for this. And remember, you are welcome to join the group. Good luck!